Start the video. Yo.
This is a retaliation process. Bubong and Titeng on the game.
Wala pa sa chicken.
Let's watch the play.
Dili ako yung piyak.
Oh,
Chicken. Look.
ginabidyo ko sila, Ning. Ginabidyo ko sila. Kaya upload ko sa Reels.
Look.
Whom are you looking, Nining?
Oh my goodness. Paluin lang eh. Chicken. Ako na maluin sa iyo.
Very good.
Ako na maluin sa iyo. Anak ko Janice. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's already 1 minute.
Janice.
Make it fast, players. Because time is going fast. So you move fast also.
Anak ni Janet. Hindi, magano tanay.
Fast in moving, Titing.
Ibalik ka na isa.
You are slow to move. Like Bubong. This video will make longer because two of you is slow to move. Yes. You're also turning like an internet. Slow to move.
Ay, chicken. You see? Where you go? Where? Where? Cannot go there. I will eat him. I will eat here. You see? Turning around. It's no good.
Oh, you're the next to move.
Of course, I will eat. There you go. You will move now.
It's already 3.27 minutes.
Ay, ano eh. Hindi na wala sa chicken liwat.
Ah. Sige, off na.
He always tells that
That he is winning.
no, weak signal. Who's the weak signal now?
You Titing is the weak signal.
Ayun, kambak ah. No problem is it.
We're always telling Bubong na he has a weak
No
signal.
problem, kambak.
So
Oh,
you say
problem.
that you are winning the game?
No.
No.
Kambak.
Today, no.
Problem. You see, no more.
Bubong will retaliate today. I think he might win the game
No more.
over you.
No more loneliness na siya.
No more. Prove it.
No more. No more loneliness.
Oh, it's already 4 minutes. This is a long video already. fast in moving players. It's already 4 minutes.
Huh? Now stop the video. Because turning, too much.
Already 5 minutes. This is a longer video. No one will see anymore because very long video.
Ay, come back.
Kill the game, Bubong. Kill the game. Oh, you are checked. You're about to lose the game.
You see,
You see? Titing, you're turning,
is tabla.
and you are about to lose the game. Oh, where is your internet? Why is that king jumping in 3 steps? Only 1 step only. No.
Now I know.
Now you know.
Now I know.
Oh, you already checked. Kill the game. Bubong, fast. Move fast. Move fast.
Matabla naman.
No tabla this game. Break even, you mean? Break even game. Oh, why are you jumping? The king is jumping like a queen. Wow, magic.
Now no more lonely nights.
No more.
Check.
Already check.
You see? No more lonely nights. Imagine that. No more lonely nights. My goodness. Dito sana siya sa pwede.
Don't touch him. The score will be divided both of you. Make fast, Bubong.
Luoy na kaya siya.
Oh, it is already 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Oh,
Patani eh. Ano kay way matani? Patani. Guwa mo.
why?
Start the video again.
Uy, who win the game?
May almost win.
Oh, sige.
Almost win the game. Of course.
Fast.
Check. Look at him. Look at him.
Oh, you are under check. It's already 8 minutes. Kill, Bubong, kill. Kill. It's already 8 minutes, Bubong. Surrender natin.
Ha?
Who will surrender?
Siya. Dapat mag-surrender siya.
Ay.
Dapat ma-surrender siya.
Surrender na, Bong. Para matapos na ang game.
Minsan-minsan, bigyan din natin siya ng chance na manalo. Always na lang.
No more lonely nights.
Padaog ka mas, Bubong.
Wala na ni.
Sige na.
Kurot na ni.
O gani.
Wala na siya.
Oh, 8 minutes na. Mapatay na ni Karon.
Start the game now. Start